Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the OnePlus 11, and in this video I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions of this brand new OnePlus phone. But before I get into this review, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the OnePlus 11 and bring it to the channel. Yes, I know I decided to pick up the S23 Ultra also, but I had to pick up the OnePlus 11. It looked like a great device, and they brought it to the US kind of early this year. I had the OnePlus 10 Pro. I've been having the OnePlus since I think the OnePlus 5, I believe 5T. Something like that. So OnePlus has been on my channel before. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. We can go over the specs really quick and then just give you my first impressions of the device. But here's a presentation from them. Nice box. It is kind of big when you compare it to, say, a Samsung box. And I don't even have my S23 box up here, but they might have some goodies in here. Let's see what they get. So you get your books. Do you get a case in here? I don't know. I haven't watched anybody's unboxing yet. My bad, y'all. I have to catch up. So you get some books. Do you get stickers at least? You get a SIM card slot remover. You do get some OnePlus stickers down there. Transfer tool. The big boy version is $7.99. I think it's on sale for even $6.99 now. But I did a trade-in. This is the phone. The plastic's coming off already. They give you a charging brick in the box. They did go with Type A this time. I know the other ones was Type C. I don't know why they went back to Type A. And then you have your red charging cable. They need to come back with a red phone too. So that's what you get in the box. No case, but you do get the charging brick in there. Samsung, Apple, watch out. But here is the, oh. Yes, I got the green color. I did not go with the black with the matte finish because I wanted the big boy. But that is shiny though. Maybe they should have had the matte finish for the green one too, but look. That is. Look at the Hasselblad cameras there. All right, we're going to see if it has some power, and we can talk about the specs really quick while it's starting up. So the panel here is a the display is a 6.7-inch Quad HD AMOLED panel. The resolution is 3216 by 1440, 120 hertz refresh rate. It's an LTPO screen, so it can go up to 120. OnePlus has made some great screens before and always has some great displays on their phones before. It is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor on here. Again, it comes in 8 or 16 gigs of RAM or 128 or 256 gigs of storage on here. It says hello. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Comes with the 80 watt, I said it right, 80 watt fast charging on here. So it's going to be quick. It's running Android 13 on here. So this phone will perform like a flagship. Now, is it a flagship killer? Is OnePlus back? That is way too early to answer that question. On the front, you have the little cutout up there for the 16 megapixel front camera, which can only shoot in 1080p, which makes no sense. I need them to step up their game. On the back, you have the 50 megapixel main shooter, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel telephoto lens. Look at that little camera cutout though. That is like beast mode right there. Yes, they teamed up with Hasselblad again. We'll see how the cameras do. I want to test them out, put them against the the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Look at the two greens there. Man, they look great together. It doesn't come with wireless charging on it, so yeah, I think that's one of the things that is missing. But we'll get into that a little bit more. This is just like a first impressions of it. I'm gonna start it up, put my information in there, and then come back. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and set this beautiful thing up. One thing I noticed is that the fingerprint scanner works great. It has cool little animations down here. And this thing just works great so far. And yeah, definitely miss OnePlus in my life. But let's go over the phone itself. So on this side you have the alert slider. They brought it back for the 11. Then you have the power button there. At the bottom you have your SIM card spot, a microphone, USB charging port, and a speaker. On the left hand side you have the volume rockers there. And then on the top, it looks like you have another microphone, or two microphones. The top of the phone is it's flat, and then also the bottom is flat. The curve on this display is a little bit less than what it was last year too. And it feels really good, y'all. Feels really good in the hands. Y'all seen the camera setup already. You can see the camera setup. Now it comes in black too, and the black is matte finish, but look at the shine. You know, on the storage part, because it shows that I'm using 20 gigs already, and the system is 20. So I'm using 40 gigs, but the system is 20. It is downloading apps from my other phone, but this thing runs good so far. I have to test out the cameras more and everything, because that is a big part of it. But I think the cameras should be pretty good this year, which we will definitely test out more. Go blue, by the way. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this device. Do you want me to compare it to the S22 Ultra? Is this the new flagship killer? Is OnePlus back in the house? Are they making a comeback with the OnePlus 11? But let's see the size comparison. You can see my S23 Ultra just almost eats this phone. And then you can see the back, also the sides, where the S23 Ultra is more boxy. But they both look great though. This one is definitely lighter. The OnePlus 11 is lighter for sure. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I will definitely try to make it. I will be working with both of them. This one will have my second SIM card in there. I'm going to have to retire the nothing phone and just let that sit there for a little bit. But y'all let me know what other videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 11, the S23 Ultra, and whatever else phone I decide to pick up. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day. One last time. Ooh, buddy. And I used to say tech was boring, y'all. All right, y'all. Peace. I'm out.